Zoisha. Guys, it's a day we've all been waiting for. Oh, first of all, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favoriteest girl, Zoisha. Hey. This is the last one. This is the last one. This is the last time. I'm super happy. She's been talking about this for the last 12 years. And the day has finally come. It's her prom. My mini-me is going to prom. Thank God. I don't have to hear about dresses, makeup, anything anymore. Yeah? Yeah. So she's here and
I look so tired.
she's doing her makeup. We're getting ready for prom. Yes, she has on her pressed on nails.
Look at that. $15.
But they actually look cute.
Right?
Just hope they don't pop off.
Yeah, just the thumbs. But everything else.
You should have done that last. Now your makeup is gonna mess it up. You're so retarded,
okay.
man.
I just wiped them off.
Anyway, so that's the motive for right now.
Oh, that comes out so nice.
I told you.
Because the white.
Yeah, that's why I said you have to put on a lot of the white, not the makeup. Just the white. She does makeup, guys. If you guys want your makeup done, holla at me. She's taking bookings.
I don't do no makeup.
Just kidding.
This came out really nice. Okay. I'm going to do it again. And then we put this over here.
You don't need to necessarily do it again. Don't you have another brush?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so do that. And then, like, are you going to put, like, a crease color? Like, a color, like, in the crease? Or was that the crease?
I don't know how to do cut crease. And all
not
that.
cut crease, just, like, another color, like, in the crease.
We can do the pink.
Okay. Me I talk like I know. Goody went all the way to Jamaica to go get her makeup done, okay? Talk to me nice. I don't know anything about makeup. As you guys can see, I don't wear it. But what's a natural beauty? No need a makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen.
So this?
Where you get this from? BH Cosmetics?
Yeah, it's from Winners.
Oh, okay.
So which one? Like this?
Yeah, sure. This eyebrow. But when you're doing your crease one, you put the crease color in first and then use that to blend it out.
With what now?
What do you mean? Yeah, use the same one where you just used a while ago.
Okay.
Get a crease color, put it in your crease, and then you use this and you blend it out, and then you go and you put on your lid color. So, and then you go on and you put on the other stuff them after that.
What crease? I should use this one, right? Or this one? This one you said?
Yeah, use this one. Oh, yo, killy, get crazy now. How do you feel about going to prom? Or what are you most excited about? What are you looking forward to? Do you have a date?
No.
Okay.
Oh, you know what Nana said? She's
What?
like, oh, you have to have a date. Zoe had a date. Tasia had a date. I'm like, Nana.
Tasia didn't have a date.
Exactly. And she's like, yes, she did. And I'm like, Nana. I even asked her and she said no. And she's like, yes, she did. You don't know what you're talking about. She had a date. You need a date. And I was like, no, thank you. I'm okay.
We didn't even really have like dates. We just went with like friends, to be honest.
Exactly.
But a lot of our friends in our group were dating. So yeah, I had a boyfriend, but I guess he was my date.
That's too much information. You know Beast Mode? Mm-hmm. That's me. Let the fans know. Beast Mode. It's too much. Blend it out, right?
Yes. Okay, so what are you looking most forward to about prom?
Oh, I don't know. Like, just the whole event.
There's nothing that you're most excited about, like seeing everyone in their dresses. Like, are you guys taking a limo? Like,
yeah.
You seriously? Like, yo, me? When I was getting ready for prom, I got ready at your mom's hair salon that time. And like Nana came, the limousine came and it picked me up over there. I felt like a superstar. I was like, what in my yellow hair? Oh my gosh, you guys, if I could find a prom picture, I will post it.
Oh, when you
because I had like a yellow, my outfit was so DIY. We just got like a cute little like puffy skirt, like a frou-frou skirt and a corset. The skirt was yellow. My hair was yellow. Like, girl, who could talk to me? Okay. What did this grade 12 know? But I didn't win prom queen, but.
You guys had that stuff?
Yeah.
We don't have that. Don't you nominate people, right? And
yeah.
then you vote, and then the day of it shows?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have that.
Y'all school sucks.
Probably equality and making people feel.
No! There's a prom queen and prom king. Oh. And then they dance. Yes, you see how that's coming together. Girl, are you going to blind yourself?
Yeah. Right.
So cool. Okay. It's coming together.
That would be only 3 things.
Exactly.
What's that? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just checking. So I'm not going to do the glitter anymore?
You can. Did you find something to stick it on? Like, do you have glue or something? No pharma glue, no glue stick, no nothing?
Glue stick.
Yeah.
We only have hair glue.
That not gonna work, Kushan.
You like how I did my eyebrows?
They're kind of thick.
Really?
Yeah. I think you could take some off at the top because you can see like the black line. Yeah. And your eyebrows are naturally thick. Like, you don't need to overdraw them.
It's because when I threaded them, you see the line? It's so, like, thin. It's like this. So that's why. Okay. All right.
Wait, come. Because this will irritate me. Hold this. Which one do you use again? This one?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
At the top.
At the top. So add more. Add more. I wish I was going somewhere. I ain't going nowhere but home, and I'm excited. Got my while on sleep. It was a short week because Monday was Victoria Day.
Oh yes.
So it was a short week, but still tired. I don't really want to go again. I have some order. Oh my god, I can't even go straight home. I have to go to Michael's first. Orders to do. Lots of orders to do.
For what?
People's events and stuff. I have some card boxes to make. A whole bunch of shit to do. With plannings. Anywho, when anything interesting and festive is more occurring, I will come back. Okay? Okay, bye guys.
Bye!
So guys, this is her dress. The camera's not doing it much justice. Hold on. I hate my phone case. But anyways, this is her dress. Yes. And her little accessory them. Got my knees. Oh, yo. Killy get crazy now. Oh my god. When your babies are getting older. Like, I have no more babies. Everybody's old. Prom. Oh yeah, look what you have in the lip gloss, bliss sticks, key, money. Let's see how much money she have. $10 on a Tim Horton card. And that alone, look how much change she have over here. She have only for money. Why are you even bringing money? What do you need to buy? It's prom. Everything is all inclusive. I do know. Everything is all inclusive unless you're unruly like us and you're not come on your yard after prom. That mean never come on my yard after prom.
I don't have to. Mom said I can't go anywhere after.
Needed go out hotel.
For after party?
If you want to call it that. She balding. She's almost done. Almost done. Oh my gosh. The corsetedness is really nice. I like how it looks on camera. I knew your dress would be pink. I just knew it. It's so sickening.
I didn't want pink, actually.
It's so sickening.
Doesn't it look better like this than it did hanging up, right?
That's how all dresses are. I mean, you could really wear that next year. That'd be a cute little dress. I mean, I don't know how we'll do on the beach, but... Oh, she's all girl now. Wow. Yo, hair makes a difference.
I look better?
I mean, anytime your hair is out, you...
Oh!
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Have to be.
No, but it's...
Just kidding.
You brush your teeth?
No.
Dirty.
I don't even have lip gloss on. So when you planning on brushing it? After there. Does that make sense? Oof. I look old. You look old?
Mm-hmm. Like
You
you're
want
like...
to go back, you said? Do you want to pull it back more? That's it.
Mm-hmm.
You guys curled it? I kind of do look orange.
I tried, but it didn't really...
You want to make a difference?
Mm-mm.
You wanted just waves anyways.
Yes. You almost look like me at my prom. Kind of.
But not the pink.
Yeah, not yellow. Woy yoy. Do the royal wave. Do it slower. Do it slower. Yes. Gosh. Wow. You look like a pink. I don't know.
Oh,
Adios. Have fun.